there are basically two segments into this entire field. There's going to be a luxury segment and there's going to be another niche segment which follows the fast fashion brands. Fast fashion brands are all these brands, who produce in mass, like they're mass production, they're everywhere around the globe and they're just focused on the consumers. What we study is the luxury aspect, which is based on differentiation. Like all these brands, these focus on cost leadership, that that they could sell at whatever cost they want, but they are going to get the consumers because the consumers like what they make. What we are focused on is the luxury segment, which is a differentiation focused segment of the field where they sell because they're different from what others sell. And that is what is going to be the future of fashion, because everyone can't be the same way, right? When it comes to fashion, like there's always going to be this one tiny segment which is always going to want to be, trend forward or like fashion forward, want to be different with their clothes, speak out, make a statement. So the two segments, that's how you differentiate it. One's a cost leader, and the other is a differentiation focus. So what India would be like, our country is more focused towards the fashion, the fast fashion and the niche market. So I am basically focused towards the luxury market, which only involves, the luxury brands, not these fast fashion brands or anything like that. So for India, what looks ahead is obviously these small upcoming startups which are based on sustainability, which are based on, something different, also the whole concept of thrift stores is coming up. But then India as a market, if what I have actually researched on the basis of our studies and everything, it's only looking towards fast fashion, which is not a very good thing, because the consumers in India are very like-minded when it comes to fashion. Like they don't have the perspective of looking ahead of times and everything. But it's safe to say that sooner, that's what it is in terms of fashion. But like the commercial aspect is that India soon enough is going to be, leaning towards or inclined towards the AR and VR methods, which is already happening. The online fashion industry is not doing that well, as good as the stores, in-store retail stores. The whole concept of sustainability or like eco-friendly fashion, that's very new to the Indian market, and it's going to take a little time for it to settle down here. But in comparison, that's what the brands are looking forward to. That's what the brands are doing. So I think that's one reason it's not doing that well in India.